kick off a series of videos that will be covering all the tips and tricks I've learned over the years with using Chrome development tools. In this video, I'm going to show you the $0 variable. Now, if you were to open the Chrome DevTools in your web browser on any website, oftentimes most people that I encounter when they first find this are confused as to what this thing means. So if you take a look at this body element that I have selected and I have it hovered, the little hint that appears next to my cursor says use $0 in the console to refer to this element. So what $0 is simply a reference. So if I were to select the JavaScript console below and type $0, it would display in the console. So let's select another element that's visible on our web page. And right now I'm on the New York Times website, and I'm going to grab this heading: why the world's astronomers are very, very anxious right now. So if I were to type the $0 reference into the console again, it would come up. And we can also get the contents of this title, its text. And one thing we can also do is modify it in real time. One of the benefits of the $0 reference is that if you were to have any sort of front-end code that you want to test and see that it works properly, instead of having to copy, paste, and save it into your code editor and refresh the page repeatedly, you can simply run tests in the console here. For example, one thing that I can do is set the text content. So I'm going to do that here. Excuse me. So we'll set text content equal to our text string, and I'll make a minor modification. Right now it says why the world's astronomers are very, very anxious. Let's change that to happy. Let's make it a bit more positive. And boom, on the left you can see our changes have been made in real time. And we can make also numerous style edits, like setting the color of the text to red and vice versa. So that's a useful tip that I use from time to time in my day-to-day work environment when I'm modifying and testing code that works with front-end components on the DOM. So there you go. Hope to see you in my next video where I show you a second useful tip. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to hit the like button below, and also remember that your feedback is greatly appreciated. So tell me what you thought about this video in the comments section. To be alerted for future tutorials and videos, click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Until next time.